can we have your resume, Mr. Akash? Do you have a notebook copy? Mr. Akash, can you please introduce yourself?
So my name is Akash Singh and I am pursuing BTech final year from Mahatma Gandhi Mission's College of Engineering and Technology, and I have done my schoolings from Delhi, from Vanastali Public School, which are in Mayur School, and I have scored 67% in class 12 and 83.2 in class 10, and I just grown in a mixed culture environment. Basically, my father is a private sector employee and mainly related in shares market. And my mother is a housewife. That's it.
Okay. What maybe motivated you to become a mechanical engineer?
So my father suggested that you can do mechanical engineer because from childhood I was used to repairing things.
Okay. Right.
So that's why I have used this branch.
So do you think that your father's suggestion was good for you, enough good for you?
Yes, sir. It is very good because like other, I have no interest in other subjects like arts or I am very weak in commerce. And
Okay. What are your favorite subjects in your college and why?
So
What are
as
your
a,
favorite classes that you enjoy most?
so as a mechanical engineer, we basically require thermal but my favorite is refrigeration because the lecturer that delivers the lecture is very in a good way.
Okay. Do you enjoy it because of your trainer?
Mm.
And now, if you are given a chance to choose among three industries, what will be your priority of all these three industries? Three, for example, automation,
Yeah.
production, design.
So first, I will prefer automation because these are the growing sectors, and then designing, then productions.
Why production at last? Production in India, production is having,
Yes, sir. But it has a very wide scope, but my
R&D is not having any scope,
yeah, it also have,
but
but I have to see myself.
they are not taking graduates, they are always taking postgraduates.
Yes.
Okay, do you have any plans to pursue your education ahead after this?
Yes, sir. But I will first leave me for the job for 2-3 years jobs. After that, I will plan for further studies.
Why 2-3 years of job and after that you are planning for post graduation?
So because I think for further educations I will spend money from myself, not depend on my family. Yes.
You want to depend on yourself. You want to be self-dependent. Okay. What are the four most important things, four more important qualities of yours that correlated with your career?
The first thing is my behavior. I am very adjustable person. I can adjust with everyone because I have already told you that I have grown in a mixed culture. So it's very easy for me to deal with person from different states. Second is my politeness, which is very good for me, as I can conceive everyone from this. And second is I am very punctual and honest, whichever work I have done. And
These skills that you are talking about, I think they are more required about managers, but not about engineers. What about the engineers quality that you have?
so basically the engineers have a managerial type of job. They have to look after for other employees and which are
What do you mean by other employees?
which are mainly workers or and they have to deal with them. So it's very easy to mix with them and to communicate with them.
What about your technical skills? You think you are technically sound. Why should we hire you again?
So because first I have already said I am very adjustable. I am fresher, so I can deal with every kind of environment.
No.
And I am very frank and very technically sound.
And what about your technical skills that you are most confident about?
Favorite subjects?
Most confident about? Okay, if you give me, I will do it.
So I am very good in manufacturing science. I've scored 70% in manufacturing science.
Okay.
How many subjects, how many courses you studied related to manufacturing?
So manufacturing, we have done 4 subjects for manufacturing. In first semester we have manufacturing science, then manufacturing science 1 and 2, then we also have material science.
Can you differentiate between milling and grinding?
Milling and grinding. Grinding is basically
Because grinder wheels also have cutters like miller cutter.
yeah.
What's the difference?
So milling in basically is a surface operations. We just finish the surface, and grinding we just break the particles in a very coarse way. It's not that fine as in milling.
Okay. Now, one thing is, what exactly are your long-term plans? Where do you want to see yourself 5 years from now at least?
So 5
Which
years.
industry? With what type of job you will be working? Any idea? What will be your designation?
So first thing, whatever I have do, I will be expertise in them. You know, I will be expert of that thing, whatever I started, so that it will be easy for me to grow myself. Because if you are expertise in any field, you have more opportunity to grow, and you have go far ahead.
That's great. That's great. Now, what do you know about us and why should we hire you?
So basically, Uflex is a packaging industry, and it's mainly related to zip products, basically zip files and zip pouches. And for hiring myself, I think I am the best and suitable person for you, because
Convince us.
first things, communications. I am a Delhi grown boy. Second thing is my technical skills, and I have fulfilled all your criteria. And
What are our criteria? What do you know about them?
so you have, I think you have asked more than 60% in every courses, whatever you have done. So, and I have
All
also
the
done.
candidates are also fulfilling these requirements. That's why we shortlisted you.
Yes, sir. They have not grown in that environment that I have grown.
What is,
Can you say that?
why you're talking about environment every now and then? Means what exactly is the advantage of this environment with our company?
The environment is a very great role in everyone's life, because right from childhood, the person grown in that environment, they adopt themselves as the environment.
Okay.
So I think for you, I think your company is in also in abroad and as in Delhi NCR. So for that area, I am suitable person.
Okay. Now,
Do you know that we are having a bond of 2 years also?
Yes, sir.
are you ready for?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
That's good.
Because at first thing I have to learn.
Do you have any questions for us?
No, I think first learning is the only thing for me, and I think I will find great opportunity.
Thank you very much, Mr. Akash.
Thank you.
It was nice talking to you. So, he was like,
He smiled.
yes, the
He was doing eye contact also.
very rare thing that we found today. Entry was good. Right, handshake.
Initially he
handshake
was
did not
shaking. Body was shaking.
Uh,
A bit shaking initially.
but then he stabilized. And slowly. Handshake he did not.
That is something expected. Initially,
It happens. Eye contact he gave, very good eye contact it was.
smiling was also good.
And it was, we must say that it was excellent eye contact it was, right?
Excellent.
He smiled also,
Yes.
right? It was good, no
No
forgetting,
fidgeting.
forgetting was not there, right?
Good. Body posture also good.
Body posture was also good, yeah.
Gestures.
Natural gestures were there. नहीं natural gesture थोड़ा सा रुक गया था उसको, मतलब ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि natural moment में बात हो रही है. It was
Philosophical.
philosophical बातें चल रही थी. It was needs improvement, more philosophical. Right, facial expressions were all of the same. Means they were consistent.
Same consistent. Smiling.
The voice volume was good. Right, vocal speed was good. Vocal tone was also good. Correct grammar was also okay. Okay, needs improvement. I think it is. तो बहुत ज़्यादा horrible. Confidence levels were good. Right, sincerity. He showed that he showed the enthusiasm as well as sincerity. Right.
And he was ready to sign up the bond.
And other things, right? Resume he is getting here. Ashish. We will further proceed. Response to questions was needs improvement because he was dwindling on the questions. We were
Actually,
asking about not and
he was predetermined that I have to answer this only.
right.
Whether he asked questions related to that field or not, he tried
He said
to.
questions. He asked questions. Did not ask questions. Right. No questions. Okay. Technical skills. Technically, we did not glean much.
Technically, I asked one question and he didn't answer that properly.
Needs improvement.
Because he told us that manufacturing is his favorite subject and
Yes.
that was not.
Okay.
Yes, as only Asif was good. But his resume also needs some. I mean, his resume is very roughly made. Asif's.
Awesome.
No spacings, nothing. Like BTech, small BCBSC, this. Mechanical and small and spell.
We'll do critical analysis of that, and when you come, I want you to be a part of the board. Right. Okay. Can we have the next candidate, Mr. Udit?
Udit. Udit?
So this is not here right now. Sorry.
Who is the next one?
He's the next one,
Mr.
Nikhil Sharma.
Nikhil Sharma.
Sorry. Nikhil is also not.
Nikhil is also
Neeraj.
ready.
Okay, Neeraj.
Please come.
Woman, sir.
Please have a seat. Mr. Neeraj. Udit is on there, na? Mr. Neeraj, how are you? Are you well? Feel you should make yourself comfortable. Can I have a copy of your resume? Yes. Are you carrying one more copy?
No.
Okay. Please introduce yourself.
Sir, thank you for introducing to in front of you. Sir, my name is Neeraj Kumar and I am pursuing BTech from Mahatma Gandhi Mission College of Engineering. I am in final year. I'm good. I'm a calm person calm person, but sometimes I feel aggressive. But
What do you understand by, what do you mean by aggressive?
aggressive. Aggressive means when when somebody pressurize me more and more, then I feel more aggressive. But now I'm improving myself in that.
So you know your weakness and you are working on it.
Yes, sir.
How?
So one more thing is my weakness. May I say? Can I say? So, my weakness is I'm working on any subject and lost time forget that time to working on that. So I lost more. So I spend more time on that work.
Right. Okay.
What are your favorite subjects?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
Okay, why?
I love it, to calculating the.
Okay, and you chose mechanical engineering as your field. As
Yes,
your,
sir.
Future.
Yes, sir.
Why?
So, I know, but
Like a mathematician.
all the calculations are involving mechanical engineering.
You should have become a teacher then.
No, sir, it's not. I know, but I wanted to be an engineer, good engineer, because
Why only engineer, Mawar?
my dream is doing something different.
What is the difference?
Great people like Newton.
What exactly different you are going to do, and what exactly is going to be the stream of that?
I want to make a status on myself in front of environment, in front of my family, friend circle, in all things.
You want to prove yourself.
Yes, sir. So, because I am belong to a small family. Background is small, so I want to do something.
Okay. Now, how has your college prepared you for your career?
They prepared. Can I repeat?
How has your college prepared you for your career?
They teach me very well, so I can build up in every company to.
Okay. If I permit you to speak in Hindi, right? क्या सिखाया है तुम्हारे कॉलेज में तुम्हें जो तुम करियर के लिए क्या?
उस करियर की बात करें तो कॉलेज में हमें बेसिकली थ्योरेटिकली पार्ट सिखाया है, ठीक है। और थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट ही सिखाया, मुझे इस थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट को अपनी इसको मेरे को उसी चीज़ को जो थ्योरेटिकल सिखाया मेरे को कंपनी या किसी भी फील्ड में जो मैंने सिखाया उसको यूटिलाइज करूँ प्रैक्टिकली।
कोई ऐसी फील्ड बताइए जहाँ पे आप अपनी नॉलेज को अप्लाई करते हैं।
से मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से रिलेटेड।
किस अब अगर हमारी कंपनी आप आते हैं, क्या आपके अंदर क्वालिटी है जो आपको हायर करे?
सर मैनेजर वो सारी बातें नहीं बोल सकता मैं कि हाँ जो एक मीन्स किसी भी एम्प्लॉय के लिए चाहिए, मैं प्रॉपर वर्क कर सकता हूँ किसी फील्ड। मैंने डिज़ाइन से रिलेटेड भी काम किया है, मेरे को डिज़ाइनिंग भी आती है, तो मैं डिज़ाइनिंग पता है कि सर टाइम टू टाइम चेंज होता है डिज़ाइनिंग का, कि एक जगह पे हम स्टेबल नहीं हो सकते। डिज़ाइनिंग के भी रिक्वायरमेंट है कि हमारी पैकेजिंग कंपनी है, योर कंपनी इज पैकेजिंग, सो पैकेजिंग डेवलपिंग। और आज के टाइम में मैंने पढ़ा है इसके बारे में कि वो डबल अपनी पैकेजिंग को 2 बिलियंस अराउंड करना चाहती है। तो
Okay. मिस्टर
नीरज।
नीरज, अपने 3 सब्जेक्ट को ऐसे बताइए
यस सर।
जो आप अपने आगे करियर में स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, जो इस्तेमाल करने वाले हैं, अपने जो अपने एकेडमिक्स
Theoretical knowledge,
3 मेन से इम्प्लीमेंट करने वाले हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा इम्प्लीमेंट होने वाले हैं, कौन से होंगे?
सर मैं अपने फील्ड मैकेनिक्स को करना चाहूँगा।
आप नहीं करना चाहेंगे,
जो
होंगे।
अच्छा, उसमें रिलेटेड टू वर्क के।
सपोज आप हमारी कंपनी में आते हैं,
यस सर।
तो आपके 3 कौन से ऐसे सब्जेक्ट हैं जो हमारे यहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल होते हैं?
एक सब्जेक्ट में डिज़ाइनिंग से रिलेटेड होंगी।
कैसे?
हमारे जो पैकेज आज के टाइम है कि डिफरेंट मटेरियल को यूज़ करके हम उसको बनाने के कि पॉलीमर्स ये सब यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो उसको अलग उसके लिए आप मटेरियल कुछ दूसरा मटेरियल यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ठीक है सर, मटेरियल का यूज़ न करके और उसके डिज़ाइनिंग में चेंज कर सकते हैं, वे कि हम तरीके को चेंज कर सकते हैं।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेलर, एक आप पहले सबसे पहले ये बता दीजिए कौन से वो 3 सब्जेक्ट हैं, एक्सप्लेन।
3 सब्जेक्ट होते हैं।
सर
पहले नेम बता दीजिए।
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस और डिजाइनिंग, एंड थर्ड वन इज
थर्मोडायनामिक्स।
यस सर। थर्मोडायनामिक्स क्योंकि सर इसमें प्रोसेस के लिए हमें डिफरेंट कंडीशन चाहिए होती है।
हमारे यहाँ क्या काम है थर्मोडायनामिक्स का? हमारी कंपनी में हमारे जो प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस है उसमें क्या रोल है?
अगर इसमें टेम्परेचर का भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा।
डोंट यू नीड मटेरियल साइंस? आपने मटेरियल्स की बात करी कि डिफरेंट
यस सर, तो मटेरियल्स के लिए डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी।
तो मटेरियल साइंस की नॉलेज मटेरियल साइंस पर अप्लाई हुआ ना?
यस सर, तो मटेरियल साइंस के लिए तो इसके डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर की रिक्वायरमेंट होगा, डिफरेंट
ट्रीटमेंट।
हीट ट्रीटमेंट।
पढ़ते हो?
यस सर।
Okay, Neeraj. Do you have any questions for us?
यस सर, वन क्वेश्चन इज सर मेरे को इस कंपनी के बारे में थोड़ा सा जस्ट ये पता करना था कि ये प्रोडक्ट को थोड़ा डिफाइन करके कैसे काम करते वर्क करते हैं।
Okay.
वर्क कल्चर।
Work culture. See, we are actually, as you know, we are a multinational company,
यस सर।
and we have our span all over the world.
Yes,
And
sir.
our production facilities are in Egypt, are in Mexico, are in Dubai, and we are in India also. And we are a multicultural organization. And HR policies are, we follow one of the best HR policies in the world. And we have got the best of the work culture, like proper trainings. You will get every type of security with us, provided you give us your best, right? And something for your family also. We provide you lodging along wherever you go, and best of the facilities any HR can follow, any company can follow. Anything else?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the session today with us. Yeah, Mr. Neeraj. Thank you, sir.
It's easily convinced.
HORRIBL. Right. This boy actually has been living. I think उसने कॉलेज के बाहर ज़्यादा टाइम गुजारा है और कॉलेज के अंदर कम ऐश कर रहे हो तुम कॉलेज की दीवारों में, कल से लिख के जाओगे सबके सब दीवारों में। लेकिन सर प्लीज वेट ठीक है। और अभी इसके जो हमें क्योंकि रिजल्ट के ऊपर भी अगर मैं लोग दे रहा हूँ तो expect a lot of myself, keen to learn, positive attitude, self persuasion.
Positive attitude, but he showed negative.
He started negatively, and this was the biggest horrible mistake that he had done today. Right?
Whenever we used to convince him on anything, he convinced it like
he got convinced very easily.
very easily.
Right. Okay, this was Mr. Neeraj. Okay, now we have Mr.
Sir, I put it 10 by 10.